guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video. I'm bringing you guys along the process of designing our spring collection for Steele, Spring 22. I haven't shown you this process behind the scenes of how I work with my clothing brand since we launched. So today I just came into the office to have a design meeting. We usually have phone call meetings, but when it's designing and like we really have to be creative and touch materials and stuff, I definitely want to come in. So I drove kind of far out here today, but so worth it. We also just got a new brand manager. Her name's Jenna, who's in the meeting with us today. This was the first time that we met in person, which is crazy, but I'm so excited to have her on. I feel like she really understands me and the brand, and we're just gonna do even better together for the future. So I want to show you guys the Steele room we have here in the office. It's not at its best right now. I walked in and there was like all these racks of like other clothes, not mine. It's this said racks. It usually has racks of Steele clothes, but I can see where most of them are over there. We filmed some like reels, IGTVs in here before. This is like set up with our bags and the candle. I've been wanting to make just one of those giant candles of this because I'm so happy with the scent. I love it. I just want it to last longer and I want it to be like an art piece. So hopefully we're able to do that and that will come soon. Before I came in, last week I worked on the concepts that I wanted to do and I made a Pinterest board of my ideas for this collection just to prepare. I sent it to the designers on my team, and now when I come in today, she's gonna have a mood board and direction for a final collection put together based off of my Pinterest board and my ideas. So basically we went through the decks, like what vibes did I like more, and I had already come prepared with like a list of pieces that I really wanted to include in this collection that I wanted to make. So we went over those, made them work with the mood boards in mind. Jenna, the brand manager, she had a list like, this is how the collection's gonna be skewed off, where she was thinking, okay, so we're gonna have a top and a bottom and a jacket, and then we're gonna have a skirt and we're gonna have a dress. So then we kind of fill in those spots of what does our dress look like, take inspo from the Pinterest board that I sent them and the direction we wanna go in, and then come up with a concept for that dress.
We have 3 trend boards here. So we were thinking of doing something with metallics, kind of based off the Tom Ford inspiration and his runway show. So we wanted to kind of incorporate different hardware details and just like the golds, the silvers, kind of the corset style too. And we wanted to do an update to your corset dress and maybe do it in a 2-piece set that can go back to each other. We wanted to also do something with a little bit more color. So just incorporating like the lilac, the blues, the greens, and you've done denim before. So we wanted to do kind of an update to that, but kind of like in a just updated, more trend focused look. The last one is something a little bit more like darker, more edgier. It kind of has like the double layered mesh, the blazer style, the corset style, a little bit of sheer details, and just kind of based off the new designer that we wanted to take inspo from.
So Amy, one of our designers, made 3 different decks. So there's 3 different styles of like how we want the overall collection to look. But by the end of looking through all of these and really getting into the designing, we realized that we're just gonna take inspo from each one and make it all go together. It's really perfect timing because I was just in New York for Fashion Week where they were showing spring collections, so I got a ton of inspo and I got ideas on what people are gonna wanna wear for spring. So I came in with lots of ideas, ready to go. I have a very good, clear vision for this collection.
Just let me know so I can incorporate that in.
You'll have sketches.
Sketches will probably be done next week, like end of next week.
Amy is going to sketch out all of these looks. I'm so thankful for her because I do not know how to draw. I cannot sketch. I wouldn't be able to design a clothing brand if I didn't have someone like her on the team. And it's also crazy, she was a part of the very first collection when we launched Steele. So if you go back and watch the launch video that I did, she's in it too. I'm also going to Paris the Paris Fashion Week next week. So I'm gonna have even more inspo, and as soon as I get back, we're gonna meet again. So Amy's going to make these first sketches, send them to me, and then during the Paris Fashion Week, I'm gonna keep the sketches in mind and like all the inspo that I grab when I'm there, and think like, oh, let's make sure we add this little detail to this piece. Okay, this is funny, like I've never seen this. This is obviously one of our best-selling shirts, but just in a different colorway, but I literally have never seen this before. I'm just going through this rack of like others. I don't know what this is here for, I guess like for photo shoot stuff, but I'm gonna go through and see if there's anything that I'm missing that I want to take right now. It's the iconic. I can't take this though, because this is rare. It seems to be in a box. Okay, I decided I'm not gonna steal anything. I also tried on some of our photo shoot samples for our upcoming drop. They weren't my size, they were size too big, but at least I got to like try them on for the first time, and I'm so excited for the tops. Like they're gonna be so sick, and I'm excited to try to wear like low-waisted stuff with that kind of top. Love it. So after all the design stuff was done, we moved on to just talking about any other things we needed to touch on for the brand. Like the Alma dress restock, because we just restocked the Alma dress that you guys love, and it sold out like before I even woke up. Sold out in hours. So let's obviously get this restocked again, but why not do it in another color? Because we have a neutral out right now, but I love black. You know I love black. It's a staple. People will love it. So we're working on making a black one too. I'm hoping to launch it before Halloween because I think it would be a great Halloween styling piece. We're doing the best we can here. Fingers crossed we can get it out before then. I am so happy that you guys love the dress that much. It's amazing.
Bye, thank you guys so much. Have a nice weekend.
Yeah, basically that's what we did today. We designed a collection, tried on some samples. We also ran through all of our upcoming drops. I always just have the most fun doing the designing part because if you could tell from us planning out all these future drops, like we've been working on stuff that I designed a long time ago. There's more of the sample changes, tweaks, production time than there is the creative design time. So today's a really special day that I get to design a collection and be creative and get really excited about what we're about to make. I feel really great. I'm so excited for the future of Steele. Now that things are going back to normal a little bit in this world, I think that we're gonna do a lot better because the pandemic definitely made things a little bit difficult. We're back, baby. We're back and better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you wanna see from me next. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Only got that hope in he who holy, keep that rugged cross all on me.